Is this a set of Curt'S kitchen? Oh mate, you see that episode we made the Chick-fil-A sandwich?
Oh, I'm going to edit the video and I'm going to make it really loud at pieces where I want the audience to laugh.
I look like a right knobhead, didn't he? Alright, hang on. Is that camera on? Oi, you fucking wanker. Turn the camera off. I said turn it off, mate.
You crazy mother...
What's up guys, welcome back to Curt'S Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making the ye olde traditional British dish of fish and chips. To get you guys started, I've got all the ingredients laid out as I do. So we've got 2 beaten eggs, we've got 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of regular flour, we've got 2 peeled and cut Yukon potatoes, cut them into thin strips just like this, and then you're gonna use 6 ounces or about half a beer. In this case today we're using the English beer called Old Speckled Hen. Then you'll also need 6 ounces of club soda, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and then you're gonna need 2 decently sized cut pieces of cod fillet. Now, when you're preparing your fish, you can use any kind of fish that you want. Make sure to lightly salt each side, helps out draw out some of that moisture that's locked into the fish. You don't want like a sopping wet fish fillet because it doesn't fry as thoroughly as you'd like it to. So we're gonna put all of our ingredients together and make some classic fish and chips. Very first thing you're gonna need to do, get a mixing bowl. Then we're gonna take our 6 ounces of club soda, sugar, rice flour, regular flour, baking powder, and finally 6 ounces of beer. Perfect. That's really not bad. Right, now we need to get our mixing spoon, and we're just gonna mix all this around until we have a nice, runny, smooth batter. All right, this is exactly what you want your batter to look like. Very thin, very runny, pretty much just like a pancake batter. It should just kind of just fall off the spatula just like that. Now we're gonna take our fish. You're gonna run your fish through your egg wash. Then we're gonna dip it in the batter. Let it get a nice coat there. Really make sure that batter gets on there. All right, let's pull these bad boys out. Yeah. These guys are ready for the fryer. Heat up 4 cups of vegetable oil to about 350 degrees. Chuck them in for 3 minutes on each side. All right, we've got the oil nice and hot, so let's go ahead and take our little fishes out of here. We're gonna do them both at the same time. Just gently, kind of taunt it a little bit on the tip of the oil there, and then just let it just lay away from you. Always make sure when you're dealing with hot oil to always lay the meat away from you so none of the oil splashes on you. Same with the other guy, just let it sit on there for just a sec. And then just lay away. Nice and easy, nice and careful. Don't want any accidents happening. Make sure to clean these hands off. Now we're letting these cook for about 3 minutes on each side, but while they're cooking on each side, make sure to just take a spatula and just paddle the hot oil over the top of them. Get that nice and crispy on both sides. It's been about 3 minutes now, so we're gonna go ahead and flip these guys over onto the other side. Look at that. Woo. Already looking nice and crispy on this side right here. Let's flip the other one. Oh yeah, that's a good color right there. Again, keep paddling. Make sure you're keeping those sides crispy. Just about another 2 minutes and we'll be ready to take these out of the fryer. All right, when this is done cooking, you're gonna take one of these. This is a deep fryer spoon. You're just gonna scoop these up one by one. Shake them off real quick. Look at that real nice color on there on both sides. Then we've got a plate prepared with paper towels to soak up some of that excess oil. Just lay that nice and gently on top of those paper towels. Let's get that other one out of the oil. It's done. Oh, that is so done. Look at that color. Woo! All right. So we're gonna let these sit here for a while, let the oil calm down. Then we're gonna prep our potatoes to make our chips. All right, look at that, guys. Microphone on that. Yes, that turned out perfectly. Nice little bit of salt. Be generous with it. We're gonna do it on each side there. Careful, it's still really hot. Let that soak into the crust, get it real nice and crispy. Now, We've got all of our potatoes all peeled and cut up just like this. So we're gonna take all of our chips, put them in the hot oil. Be a little more careful than I was. We're gonna put them in here for about a minute at 350, and then we're gonna take them out after a minute, put them in the bowl, let them set aside, crank the heat up to 380 degrees in the oil, and dump them back in for about another 2 minutes. All right, guys, let's try this out. Chips are good. Now the fish. Ooh, break that crust open. Yeah. Get a nice big piece of it here. That is ace. Woo! This is a mess. I love it. I want you guys to listen to how crispy this crust is. Check this out. Put the microphone right up. Okay, welcome back to Curt'S ASMR cooking show. Mouth noise edition. Crispy crust, fish and chips. And what do you know, guys? Snow showed up to eat some fish and chips. Okay, let's get you, I guess, a little bit of piece of fry. I get the first half though. Deal? Or the first, more than half. That's a good girl. Rewards for her patience for the last 2 hours while I was filming this video. Is that good, Mama? Alrighty. Say goodbye to camera. Say bye. This is really good, guys. This is like really good. Super unhealthy. Don't get me wrong. Just apocalyptically unhealthy for you. So definitely don't eat this for every meal if you can help yourself. But definitely make it at least once for yourself. Get that nice crust on. Really fulfilling recipe, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video. Comment down below what you think I should cook next. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every single Saturday. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks, guys.